Are you looking for the Shark S3601 Professional Steam Pocket Mop? We've reviewed nicely, so let's start. Features: intelligent steam control for superior sanitization. Patented steam pockets for professional cleaning results. 3 steam modes. Light and sleek in shape. 180-degree swivel head for reaching deep under furniture and cabinets. High temperature of 200 Fahrenheit ensures killing of bacteria, germs and dust mites. The Shark S3601 Professional Steam Pocket Mop is a lightweight, easy-to-operate steam cleaner that provides quick and efficient professional cleaning services. It provides a deep cleaning facility along with the killing of germs, bacteria and is chemical-free, making it environment-friendly. A nice aspect of this mop is that it provides you with steam constantly, so you don't need to press the handle, you just simply mop the floor. The Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop offers professional cleaning and sanitizing services. It uses intelligent steam control to provide superior sanitization. It comes with the patented steam pockets that provide enhanced cleaning services to the user. These enable deep cleaning, and within a few minutes the floor looks as good as new. The mop provides improved professional cleaning of all hard floor surfaces in the house. There are 3 steam settings on the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop to deal with all kinds of cleaning problems. There is a dust setting for light cleaning, then there is the mop setting which is for regular everyday cleaning. The 3rd setting is the scrub setting for tougher or more difficult situations. All these ensure that the mop is able to target and resolve any sort of cleaning that is required by the user. Pros: 2 quick-release mop heads including a triangular one for corners and small spaces. Dual-sided machine washable dirt gripper mop pads. 3-level electronically controlled steam system. Swivel head to get in and around tight spots. The mop produces continuous steam. Cons: sometimes this product leaves streaks on the floor. Unit may not be very durable.